I have more courses available, as well as an exciting new reading workshop and a learners accountability group. Cuasa Córa Hain a dá agus a trí agus Cuasa Club Leor are now live to book. They are starting the week of the 27th of April and running for 8 weeks, 90 minutes a session on Zoom. Each course is €185, but if you sign up now before the 7th of April, you can get €15 off. The courses are planned and taught by me and designed and mentored by Brianna Gaeilge. Cuasa Córa Hain Conversation Course 1 is suitable for complete beginners and those who would like to take a more conversational approach. We will start with greetings, introductions, how to talk about how we are, the weather, and so on. You'll be provided with a PDF that has sample dialogues along with additional notes on vocabulary and grammar. These dialogues will inspire our own guided conversations. The same format goes for Cuasa Córa a dá agus a trí. They are still beginner-friendly courses, just a little more advanced. Cuasa Córa a dá will focus on the past tense, irregular, regular verbs, present tense tá versus bíonn, the copula, which is when to use is versus tá, and Cuasa Córa a trí will focus on the present and future tense. But that's not all we will learn. There will be loads of vocabulary and relevant grammar as well. The focus is on conversation. You are not expected to already be able to have a conversation. You will be guided and gain the confidence to do so. In Cuasa Club Leor, we will read a book together. By the end of the course, we will finish Trumley le Hanya Níchlin. This will be our second time running this course. It was a success the first time with beginners and intermediates practicing reading, listening, learning advanced vocabulary, and some people got to read their first book in Irish. Ceardlan Léthairachta will take place on Saturday the 18th of April from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Irish time, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This workshop will be led by Brianna Gaeilge, and in it you will learn the benefits of reading as Gaeilge at any level and how to do so. It is only €20 for this 3-hour masterclass. It is a good supplement to Cuasa Club Leor, but it can also be taken on its own. And last but not least, the Irish Language Learners Accountability Group. This will take place on the first Saturday of every month, starting on Saturday the 2nd of May from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard and 4 to 5 p.m. Irish time. This is a great group if you are looking for others learning Irish to hold you accountable, to discuss your goals and progress, and find ways to progress. You can find information about all of the courses and workshops mentioned at gaeilgeamachrí.com/courses. Tá súlagin bulu liv galua.